Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Math is Magic. Today we'll continue solving the next three subdivisions of the third question of exercise 3.3. That is the subdivision 4, 5 and 6. So let's get started.
Now the fourth subdivision is the taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 105, and for journey of 15 km, the charge paid is rupees 155. What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 km? Now we are going to solve the fourth subdivision of the third question of exercise 3.3, and this question is about the fixed charge and charge per kilometer of taxi charges in a city. Now we are going to solve this question how we solved the previous questions. Nothing very different and difficult. So the first step is to first denote the x and y values. So here let the fixed charge be rupees x and per kilometer charge be rupees y. According to the first condition, for a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 105, and for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is rupees 155. So this distance of 10 km, the charge paid is 105, right? So this distance, this cost consists both the fixed charge and charge per kilometer. We have considered fixed charge to be x. So it first fixed charge per kilometer is y. So how much kilometer 10? So y into 10. So x plus 10 y is equal to 105. I hope this equation is clear to you, how we found it and how we considered the equation, how we formed the equation from the statement. In the same way, again for the distance of 15 km, the charge is 155. It consists both the fixed charge and per kilometer charge. So the fixed charge x plus for a distance of 15 km here. So per kilometer charge is y. So y into 15 plus 15y is equal to 155. These are the two equations. Mark it as first equation and second equation. Now from 1, we need to either get the x value or y value. So now I am getting the x value. Here we get x is equal to, here we need to find the x value. So here 105 on the other side plus 10y to the other side minus 10y. Therefore we get x is equal to 105 minus 10y. This is the third equation. Substitute the value of x. This value of x in the second equation. We need to substitute this value of x in the second equation. Then we will get 105 minus 10y plus 15y is equal to 155. Here minus 10y plus 15y is equal to 5y. Here 105 to the other side minus 105, which is equal to 155 minus 105 is equal to 50. So 5y is equal to 50. We will get this. So to get the y value, we will divide 50 by 5, because here 5 is in multiplication. On the other side, it goes in division. Therefore y is equal to 10. Putting the value of y, this y is equal to 10 in the third equation we can put this value of y is equal to 10 either in third or first equation. I am putting the third equation. This up to you. You can put in either of the equations, because this third equation is derived from the first equation. So it doesn't matter. You can substitute the value of y in any of the equations. So we get here x is equal to 105 minus 10 into 10, which is equal to 5. Here 105, 10 tens are 100. 105 minus 100 is equal to 5. Hence, fixed charge is rupees 5 and per kilometer charge is equal to rupees 10. Now, I am going to give you a small task for you. This is a simple self-evaluation test for you. If you have understood the question well, you can surely do it. Now, the next part of the question, this is, how much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 km? Now, we have found out what is the fixed charge and per kilometer charge, and we have also formed these two equations. Now you need to study this question well and keenly look at the two equation and how we got it, and the fixed charge and per kilometer charge. You can surely get the answer for this question. If you are not able to get the answer, please do comment me in the comment section below. I will provide you with the answer in my next video, and also put me a thumbs up in the comment section if you have got the correct answer. So now I will move on to the fifth subdivision. I hope that the fourth subdivision is clear to you. Now, the fifth subdivision is a fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. First, I will explain you what is a numerator and denominator in a fraction. Let's take this 9 by 11 in this question itself. The upper here above the this slash above the slash number is numerator and below the slash is denominator. So whenever you get a fraction type of question, we need to represent the fraction in the form of x by y. So let the fraction be x by y. We need to find the fraction. We represent this or denote this as x by y. So here, what they have told, a fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. So x by y, if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator, that means x plus 2 by y plus 2 means the fraction becomes 9 by 11, which is equal to 9 by 11. So cross multiplying it, you will get 11 into x plus 2 is equal to 9 into y plus 2. That means 11 into x, 11x plus 11 2 is 22 is equal to 9 into y, 9y plus 9 2 is 18. So, bringing x and y to one side, here 11x plus 9y to the other side minus 9y, here plus 18 plus 22 to the other side minus 22, which is equal to minus 4. This is the first equation. So, next, what they have told next, if 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Now 3. X plus 3 by y plus 3 means the fraction will become as 5 by 6, which is equal to 5 by 6. Now, solving it further by cross multiplication, we will get 6x plus 18 is equal to 5y plus 15. Bringing x and y to one side, 6x plus 5y to the other side minus 5y, which is equal to 15 plus 18 to the other side minus 18, which is equal to minus 3. This is the second equation. Now, from 1, we are getting the x value. From 1, if we get x value, solve it, we get x is equal to minus 4 plus 9y by 11. Mark it as third equation. Substitute this value of x is equal to minus 4 plus 9y by 11 in the second equation. When we substitute x is equal to minus 4 plus 9y by 11 in the second equation, we get 6 into the place of x minus 4 plus 9y by 11 minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Here, solving it further, we get 6 into minus 4 is equal to minus 24 plus 6 into 9 is equal to 54y by 11 is equal to minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Now taking here LCM. LCM we get 11 is the LCM. So minus 24 plus 54y minus 11 into 5 55y. When we take LCM it will become as minus 55y by 11 is equal to minus 3. It will be there, and when you multiply this 11, when you bring this divided 11 in the other side, it goes in multiplication. Therefore, minus 3 into 11 is equal to minus 33. So, minus 24 plus 54y minus 55y is equal to minus 33. Solving it further, we get minus y is equal to minus 9. Therefore, minus minus here will get cancelled. Y is equal to 9. This is the fourth equation. Mark it as fourth equation. Now, substitute this value of y is equal to 9 in the third equation. You can substitute either in first or the third equation. I am substituting in the third equation. We get x is equal to minus 4 plus 81 by 11 is equal to 7. Solving this, you will get x is equal to 7. Hence, the fraction is 7 by 9. I hope this question is clear to you. Now, the sixth subdivision is 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? This is the question. Now, the sixth subdivision of the third question of exercise 3.3 is about the age of Jacob and his son. So now, again, we need to denote the x and y values first. So, let the present age of Jacob be x years. Sorry, I have missed Jacob here. And that of his son be y years. Now, according to the question, the first condition is 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. That means 5 years hence means 5 years after. Therefore, the age of Jacob will be x plus 5. And also, what was given in the question? The age of Jacob is equal to 3 times that of his son. That means 3 into y plus 5. Because y is the age of his son. So solving it further, we get x plus y 5 is equal to 3 into y 3y plus 5 3s are 15, which is equal to x. Here bring x and y value to one side. Here x plus 3y to other side minus 3y. Here 15 plus 5 to other side minus 5, which is equal to x minus 3y, which is equal to 10. Here x minus 3y, 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. Therefore x minus 3y is equal to 10. Now the second condition is 5 years ago. The age of Jacob will be 7 times that of his son. 5 years ago means 5 years before. That means x minus 5 is equal to 7 into y minus 5. Because here y is the age of his son. 5 years ago means age of his son will also be 5 years y minus 5. So according to the question, it is 7 times. So 7 into y minus 5. So solving it further, we get x minus 5 is equal to 7 into y 7y minus 5 7 35 is equal to x is equal to 7y minus 35 plus 5. Here we are substituting x value. Here we are getting the x value and we will substitute in the next step. So here x is equal to bringing x2, keeping x in one side and bringing other y and numerical values to other side. So here 7y minus 35 minus 5 to other side plus 5. So therefore x is equal to 7y minus 30, because minus 35 plus 5 is equal to minus 30. Now putting the value of x, this value of x in the first equation. Here it is the first equation. I have missed to put it is as first equation, sorry. We get 7y minus 30 minus 3y is equal to 10. Here 4y minus 30 is equal to 10. 7y minus 3y is equal to 4y minus 30 to other side plus 30. So we will do it in next step. Here 7y minus 30 minus 3y is equal to 10. So 7y minus 3y is equal to 4y. Keeping this minus 30 together with this side itself is equal to 10. Here 4y is equal to 40y, which is equal to 10. Here minus 30 to other side plus 30. So I told in the earlier step itself, right? Here minus 30 to other side plus 30. So 4y is equal to 40, not 40y. Please ignore this y along with 40. So 4y is equal to 40. Here we need to get the value of y. So we will divide 40 by 4. 40 by 4 is equal to 10. Because here 4 is a multiplication with y and the other side goes in division. Therefore y is equal to 10. Putting the value of y in second equation. Putting this value of y in the second equation. This is the second equation. I have missed to put it as a second equation. So here second equation we get x is equal to 7 into 10 minus 30. 7 tens are 70 minus 30 minus 30. So x is equal to 40. 70 minus 30 is equal to 40. So x is equal to 40. Hence the present age of Jacob is, sorry I missed here Jacob. Present age of Jacob is 40 years and that of his son is 10 years. I hope this question is clear to you.
So, we will be continue solving the next exercise, which is the exercise 3.4 in my next video. Until then, bye bye friends. Stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. And also again and again, please to practice maths. Bye bye. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Math is Magic. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for latest updates.